Let's solve this question together. It says x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 6. We're required to solve for the value of x and y. Now x plus y equals 6, let's call this equation 1. And xy equals 6, let's call this equation 2. Okay, so we can say that from equation 2, x is equal to 6 over y. Okay, let's substitute x and 6 over y in equation 1. We have 6 over y plus y is equal to 6. Now multiplying each term here by y, we have y times this is 6 plus y times y is y squared is equal to 6 times y is 6y. Okay, from here we now have that y squared minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the full equation. Now we're going to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula states that y here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, where a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, b is the coefficient of y, which is negative 6, and c is the constant term, which is plus 6. Moving on, we have that y will become equal to minus 6 is plus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times a times c is minus 24 all over 2a, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. Okay, now from here we have that y will become equal to 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24 is 12. So we have root 12 all over 2. This becomes equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 12 is the same thing as 2 times square root of 3 all over 2. Okay, because square root of 12 is the same thing as root of 4 times root of 3. Root of 4 is 2 and root of 3 is root of 3. Okay, now from here we have that y will become equal to 6 divided by 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Hence y is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3. Okay, so these are the two values for y. Y is either equal to 3 plus root 3 or 3 minus root 3. Now, we remember that x is equal to 6 over y. Okay, now let me say when y is equal to 3 plus root 3, for example, our x now becomes equal to what? We have that x is equal to 6 over y. Hence, when y is equal to 3 plus root 3, we have x to be equal to 6 divided by 3 plus root 3. Okay, from here we now have that x is equal to 6 divided by 3 plus root 3. Now what we're going to do here is multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is 3 minus root 3. So we have multiplying here by 3 minus root 3. Multiplying here by 3 minus root 3 as well. We now have that x here becomes equal to 6 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 squared is 9 minus root 3 squared is 3. So we have that x is equal to 6 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 6. Hence our x becomes equal to 3 minus root 3. Okay, so in conclusion, we say when y is equal to 3 plus root 3, x is equal to 3 minus root 3, which invariably means that when y is equal to 3 minus root 3, x will be equal to 3 plus root 3. Hence the two answers for x are 3 plus or minus root 3, just as y. Okay, thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.